What is going on? Tried to make it seem like a... I don't know. What's up? We're gonna play a PUBG mobile match. And I gotta reset my motherfucking router, because my damn Netflix ain't working really that good, so... Let's go do this shit. No, I'm not following you. What the hell? No. Going to school, boy. What are you talking about? Going straight to school, nigga. You going straight to school, boy. Straight to school. Pause it and then come right back when I'm landing on top of the school. Alright, we're back in the school. Let's go ahead and do this. Fuck! Fuck! Die! 24! That was the quickest match I've ever been in. Too soon. Oh my god! Fuck! Go to the next one. Fuck! Come on, man. Damn, just go already. Fucking spick ass motherfucking piece of shit. Mother talking that motherfucking ass shit. Nope. This is a weird angle because my hair is going with gravity, so it's like, yeah. Usually you'd be like right here in my face, but nah. Right now, you're like, yeah. Not like that. Right there. Just like that. Right there. Can you see me? Hello? Oh, okay. Fringe battles. Donald Duck laughing. Let's do the thing! People gonna want to hear me. Because of the weird fucking noises I make when I play the game. I get on, yep. Nah, I get on. I'm just fucking around. I don't do that stupid shit. I just do this shit because it's recording. Usually I just don't say nothing. I just gain and don't say anything at all. I don't talk to nobody. I don't make any noises. I don't talk to any motherfucking thing. Usually when I game, I am right up on the motherfucking screen doing nothing. You know what I mean? But, yeah. Do my thing right now, man. Going to the apartments across the way from the school. I don't want to get fucked up like last time. They ain't following you, boy. I don't want to let you shit. Go right there. Just like that. Actually, I'm going to school. Motherfucker going down on the ground too, boy. That's what I know. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And go ahead and jump down on that shit. You know what I mean? You go ahead and tell yourself something else, but damn it, you gonna jump on top of that school right there, I tell you what. Oh man, I'm telling you, man, somebody come down that damn. Come on in this room. Right now. Right now. Number 3, what happened, number 3? What did you do? I don't give a fuck if I'm camping right now. It's the beginning of the motherfucking match and I can give a motherfucking shit. I can care. I don't give a fuck if I'm camping right now. I am absolutely get you off the camera. Me. What was that, dude? What the fuck kind of gun was that? That was an S12. Oh my god, dude. I shot him like 20 times. Over again. I shot like the half of the mag at that motherfucker. He said, boom, 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 got me. What? How are you shooting you? How are you shooting me? I just shot you 20 times with an AK-47. How are you shooting me? I got the first shot. I'm gonna have to get one of them shotguns. I'm picking up one of them S12s next time I see it. Watch this, bitch. I'll show you what the fuck is up. I'm gonna get one of them S12s. I'm gonna get them. I'm sorry I'm putting the damn phone down, looking in the damn mirror right now. Sorry. I need to shave. I really need to shave. I need to shave. I need to shave. Alright, let's go to Lenderia. Lenderia area. Landeriera. 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 Nope. Tumacera. Tumacera. Yeah. I trade you. Alright, just like that. Ride it like that. Now, you go like this. Go back down. Go like this. A little harder. Go back down. Then you go like this. Way back down. I'm going to be one of the first ones on the ground. Because of what I just did. The little pyramid thing I was just showing you, or whatever you call it. That's it. That's how you go faster than everybody else. Damn, I was trying to get on that window. Best pistol in the game! Yes! I got an automatic and a pistol. 2 in 1. And an adrenaline! And a backpack! And a damn thing! Sickle! All I need now is an extended mag and a suppressor and a red dot. Oh my god, I'll be bitching with this shit. Get the gas. Got straight gas, nigga. Straight gas, my nigga. Nigga got straight gas. Nigga got straight gas. Stupid gas. Some stupid motherfucking gas, boy. That's just some gas. Bro, that's just some gas. Stupid gas. Straight stupid gas. Stupid gas. Stupid. Very stupid. It is a very stupid video game, man. It's up on the best space to meet the ball and taking around in a Yoshi jumping around and jumping on Luigi's head, nada. Luigi's head, nada. Come around, me talking about that stupid shit, nada. Come around, me talking that. You never come around talking that shit while I'm around working, man. I forgot what a movie that's from. I don't even remember. I know it's from a movie. I don't remember. Fuck it. Shit. What's in this little shack? Nothing? Okay. Little taco shack on the side. On the side. This ain't an S12, but this will do. This will definitely do. I wish I could go boom, boom, boom like that one guy did me. But hey, I don't give a fuck. Hey, this is a pump. Hey. Yes. Oh my god. I want one of these so damn bad. Okay, I done that to get the ammo on my other shotgun. Do like this, pick this one up, boom, got 15. 5 and 10. I did just have 10, I think. Laser! I got me a laser. It's so cool. It's so bright. Another P18C? Oh my god, dude. I got it. Laser on the motherfucking P18. Oh shit, watch this. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god. That motherfucker's busting like a motherfucking bitch. That motherfucker getting it. That shit ain't got no range on it, but hey. Up close, man. God dang. Trying to down. Let me get down. Let me get down. Let me get down. I gotta make this bigger, man. Alrighty, different size buttons. I don't give a fuck. If I see an S12, I have to pick it up. I have to pick up an S12, man. That was awesome. So if somebody has an AK and I shoot them 3 times with an S12 fast enough, I will get the kill. And you just saw it. You just witnessed it. I got it 8 times. I don't even know how the fuck I make that noise, but sounds like a damn belt going out on a truck. Yeah, you saw how he jumped straight into the jump? Like he jumped, then he was like instantly jumping over the wall. Like, yeah, nigga on this steroid shit, man. Illegally taking prednisone 50 milligram every 8 hours. You know, man, be feeling good. That's what the nigga be telling me. Who? Who's that? Another egg. Damn! The fuck? Where you going? Staying at the hotel then, bro. Fuck it. We in the circle, so what the fuck you doing, man? Go. Fuck, sit down somewhere, bro. Sit the fuck. Whoa! What the fuck? You about kill me? What the fuck? You about kill me? Nigga, dang. I gotta find a spot to lay down. I gotta use the bathroom real motherfucking quick. There ain't nowhere to hide in this bitch. Shit, I'm gonna have to do something. I'll drink the energy drink, then I'm gonna pick up the pain pills and take the pain pills too. What do you mean not enough?
I got supplies.
Oh, I want that. Military level 3 vest. Suppressor AR? Oh, yeah. Okay, now that that guy's here, I gotta put the phone down and use the bathroom real quick.
Enemies ahead.
I really hope a guy don't run up on us. Got a couple kills. I don't give a fuck. I can wait a little bit. I can get kill a little time. You know what I mean? I gotta do that. Alrighty now. Let's do that now. Go back in the room. Sit down. Stand up. Pass out. Wake up. Faded. Faded. I've been goggles. Something. I don't really know what the fucking words is. I don't know. Nigga motherfucking asshole bitch. I don't really know what the words are. And I don't really even know when I don't listen to that song enough. I don't know the words. I don't know the words. Alrighty, let's do this thing. I gotta stop using my right thumb for that. I gotta use my left thumb for that. That's why I put it over there. I'm actually copying something that I saw for somebody else's button layup. And I really like the formation of this, but I made it my own too. Like, it's certain buttons that are in that order too of his, and it's Shroud. One video that I've ever saw him play PUBG Mobile, he had his buttons set up like this. And it's a rare video. I saw it on his Instagram. It's not even on YouTube. Alright, let's try it down right here. Oh no. No, my phone. I set it to show me at 15 instead of 10. That extra 5% really does help. I swear to God, dude. Once it gets down to 10, oh man, you better run into the fucking house. If you ain't buy a charger port, man, you gotta fucking, dude, you gonna have to damn near fucking plug it up immediately. You better have a battery pack in your motherfucking pocket, boy, because, you know what I mean? Like, you gotta have it fucking charged. No, I like a video camera on this side. My fingers get on the way. Because of where my camera is on my phone, I can't have it laying that way because my thumb will get right in the middle of the fucking camera where a camera is. I like to do it on this side so that y'all can actually see what the fuck is going on. I'm talking to y'all as in my audience, whoever is watching this. I don't give a fuck if a YouTube video, a YouTube account has 1 follower or 1.5 million followers. It's a YouTube account. It's a streamer. I don't give a fuck if I'm that known or not. If you're watching it, cool, thank you. If you aren't, then whatever. You ain't even here to hear this. But people that are watching, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting this channel. This is really early stages of this, and I'm really appreciating anybody that watches this because this is the startup. I ain't done barely anything on this account. I only got like 20 something videos. I'm ready to get like 20,000 videos. Like a lot. I'm trying to get a bunch of followers. Right now, I think I only have like 6. See what I'm saying? Like, but I got 6 subscribers. That's 6 people that I don't know who follow me and watch the shit that I post. So I don't care if it's 6 or 6,000. I got followers. That's all I need to say. Whenever somebody asks how many, oh well, 6. For right now, that's all I got. But I will get more, I bet you. So whatever. I don't give a fuck. What is that for? I dropped my P18. Oh my god, no. I dropped the P18. My god, where did I pick up this bullshit ass revolver from? Oh my god. I can't believe I done that. Yeah, I was in this house. Please be here. Please, I'll need that fucking pistol. It just makes me feel better to have it. Even if I don't even fucking use it. I like to have it. It's an automatic fucking pistol. You know, see what I'm saying? It's a fucking automatic pistol, nigga. Where the fuck did it go? Why is this lagging so damn much? I'm just testing it. I'm testing it. That ain't that bad of a climb. Where did my 2 times? Okay, I was about to say, man, I was about to get mad, because I already dropped my fucking P18 or G18, really. But I was about to get mad, because I'm already kind of mad because I dropped my motherfucking pistol. Where the fuck I did. Fucking stupid shit ass revolver, motherfucker. I hate this damn gun. This is my least favorite out of any revolver on this fucking game. It's got good damage, but look how slow it fucking shoots. This is fast, rapid fire, as fast as I'm trying to shoot it. That's as fast as it will go. Somebody could go, done. You're down. And you shot off 2 rounds. You're going, pop, pop, over. It's over. You're done with. Why are you even here? Leave. Serious. That's how it's going to be. Okay, lag. What the fuck? You lay down and spin around in a 360 like this, and it resets the damn calibration thing. There we go. See? It's solidified. It's solidified. I'm going to see how this M762 reacts with the scope on.
Enemies ahead.
fuck no. No, no, no. I gotta get in that car fast. I'm gonna boost. I'm gonna boost. I'm gonna boost now. I don't want to have to deal with it. I'm gonna go ahead and do it now so I can go ahead and start healing back up. Go, run. What are you doing? Go, man. Go, go, go. Go, Batman. Go, go, go. Go, motherfucking Batman. Go. Yee! There's a fucking Camaro. You serious?
Help! Bring up voice chat. Enemies ahead. Enemies ahead. Enemies ahead.
Okay. How many times do you have to tell me? Pussy licker? That is your name?
Form up on me.
Yeah, boy. One chicken dinner, motherfucker, bitch. Woo! Love that fucking chicken, bitch. It's so fucking juicy. Got that chicken dinner. Y'all got it. Yeah! Y'all are all getting an invite, and y'all are all getting a like. Two people got time. Whoa, two people got times three, and one people got times four. Pussy liquor got times four. Oh my god, hold on a second, dude. I wanna know what I got. I got the medic, pone to prone, and nugget dinner. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, I think I'm going to wrap it up for this video, guys. I think that's all I'm going to do for this one. But y'all seen a couple 3-2-3 games, couple bad ones, but two that I didn't win. They wasn't bad, but the first one was I was mad as fuck, dude. I went number 2 or number 3 or something and got killed. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave a comment and like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment down in the comments and the description to tell me what you think about the video. Tell me about what you think I would love. Tell me what you would love for me to post new videos about, and tell me what you would like for me to change or keep about the video and the way I made it, whatever, you know what I mean. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Please, thank you. Good night.